welcome back to my holiday organizing series, where since the day after Thanksgiving I have been uploading or trying to upload a video every single day with some kind of organizing tip to help you create a little more organization during your holiday season. And now we are at the day after Christmas, and the tip I want to offer you is to not rush the cleanup process of the holidays. Now, I'll admit to you that I am one of those people who the day after Christmas I want everything up and out and put back where it came from. I guess I just want to resume my normal schedule after the holidays. But the problem is, if you don't have organized systems fully in place, I strongly urge you to stop and take a moment to think things out first. You know those old sayings, look before you leap, a stitch in time saves nine. Never is it more important to think of those sayings than when you are cleaning up all of the holiday decor. Now, through this whole holiday series, I have been talking to you about the downloadable PDF that I created that has all the checklists and templates and my organizing tips in it. And one of those pages in that PDF is an assessment sheet where you analyze how things went. And now this is the time it is most important to fill that out, even more so than right before the holidays. Every year after the holiday is over, I sit down with a piece of paper and I analyze, what did I like? What did I not like? What caused me stress? What brought me happiness? I get that down on paper while it's fresh in my mind. You don't want to be filling out that form 10 months from now. You won't remember all the things that went either extremely right or extremely wrong. So if you've purchased my downloadable PDF, go ahead and grab that sheet and fill it out for next year. And if you haven't purchased my PDF yet, I will leave the link to those downloadable templates in the description. All you have to do is click on that link. Once you purchase it, you can click download and it goes right to your computer and you can print up whatever pages you like. But the main thing is to do your assessment now while everything's fresh in your mind. The other tip I want to share in this video with you is to go around your house and take pictures of all the decorations you have up. Don't move even one decoration before you get those photos. Now, I usually recommend to take an overall shot where you're standing back from the decorations and then a close-up one so you can see everything you have in that area. Now, in an upcoming video, I will share with you how those photos will be valuable in keeping next year's holiday season more organized. Now, I have a lot more organizing tips to share with you before the new year starts. However, I will not be uploading a video tomorrow, December 27th, just because I have to do a little housekeeping on my Mac. We have been working feverishly to get these videos out to you, but sadly my Mac doesn't have a lot of memory storage left in it, so I need to take tomorrow to kind of clear things out so we can bring you all new videos. So be sure to check back on Monday, December 28th, where I'll continue to share even more organizing tips for all of your holiday decorations so that next year's holiday season is a lot more organized. Take care, and I'll see you on Monday.